Do you want to know how you can upload and earn money with the Social Duels app and if it's really worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and many viewers have asked me about this app, so I decided to test it, and in this Social Duels app review I'll give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons so you can find out if it's really worth your time. So let's first start by going over who can join. And Social Duels is an app you can join from more or less all countries, and you can only download it for Android devices. So if you are looking for ways to use an iOS device to earn, then this is not for you. Then I have a video, I'll leave a link in the top corner, of ways to earn from iOS devices instead you can check out. But if you do have an Android device and you are interested in uploading and earning, as it also says here, what you need to upload is actually photos and then you can earn. And let me just reveal right away, you can potentially earn, but you do need to know all the details before downloading. So let me log in and then I'll show you exactly how it works. I am now logged into Social Duels app, and you can earn, as it mentions, also by uploading photos, but I'll go over how that works in just a bit. First of all, when you just come in there, you can also earn, as you can see here on the home tab, by voting for other photos. So here I would need to choose which photo I like the most. Just by scrolling there I can just choose whatever, and then you see then there's different ads, and you can do all kind of things. That's one thing. This is an app from Givvy. I have other videos about ads from them, and there will always be a lot of ads and pop-ups and things like that. That's how it is. But you can just do this and you can earn, and then you see then an ad comes up. That's that's how they make money, and that's why they can also pay us. But that's just how it is. So I'll just wait till this is over, and then we'll go back into the earning opportunities. So this is one way to earn, but this would not be possible to just keep doing, and the earnings is also not that much. And how much you can earn from it, that depends on what settings you have. We'll go over in that in just a bit. Let's first talk about this, like how you can upload and earn also, before we go over the settings and then also the payout options. So if you go to this tab here, you can see that you can upload photos yourself, and you can then get them into this competition, and when people vote you can potentially earn by having the photos there. And it seems like a very easy way to earn, but as mentioned, the earnings depends on your settings, and also you do need to know if it's really worth your time. So let's go over the settings before we talk about the earning potential. So in the top corner here, you can go and see your settings. You'll be asked about this when you first join, but you can change it. And here you see you have mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. And this means that if I choose mode 1, then it's maximum winnings. That's the highest earning potential. Then I will also have more ads shown, as you can see, and I will get rewards for voting. It also says, and rewards after my photo wins a duel. But I can also, as you can see, choose the second one there. Then I will get medium rewards, medium amounts of ads, no rewards for voting. And you can see yourself what each of them are, but in general you'll probably say that you would like this and use that. But just be aware that there's a limit to how many times you can actually get paid for voting and things like this. They will also show that in there. So in general, what it all comes down to is, can you accept all these ads? Because when you choose this, there will be a lot of ads, because if not, they could not afford to pay you. And if you choose this one, you can say then no winnings. Well, you don't get any rewards, you get small amounts of ads, you don't get rewards for voting, no rewards for photos. So like, what is the point then of using the app? Like, you don't earn, and it's just, you can just waste a lot of time watching pointless photos, in my opinion. Like, I don't see why that option is even there. You will still get to watch ads once in a while, have to, but I really don't understand. But that's just how Givvy is. It often doesn't make sense for me, in my personal opinion. But anyways, let's talk about then how you can get paid if you decide to do this. So I have now jumped to the withdrawal section, and as you can see, I right now don't even have 1 cent, even though I have tested it for quite a while. And the exact earnings you get, it is honestly a little bit confusing. I will be completely honest, I have not uploaded any photos because I just don't see the point, to be honest. If I'm going to share any private photos, it's not going to be in an app like this where I basically get nothing out of it, in my personal opinion. And I don't know what they will do with the pictures or anything like that. It just doesn't make sense. And the reason for that is, as you can see, you need 10,000 points to earn just 1 cent. So yes, the payout threshold, when you look, is very low, only 35 cents for certain payout options. They have a lot of different payout options. That's one thing I do like about Givvy apps in general, and Social Duels also. And even for PayPal, you can see you only need to earn $1 to get paid. It also offers via Coinbase, like crypto, as you can see, only 35 cents. So a very low payout threshold, but still 35 cents. Can you see 10,000 is 1 cent? It's an extreme amount of points you need to earn to just earn $1. I don't know how many hours that would take, but it takes a lot of patience. Givvy apps, it does pay. I know I've tested many Givvy apps and they do pay. So when you know it's Givvy that's behind, you know that it does pay, but you also know that it will take a lot of patience to earn. So to sum it up, Social Duels app is a way where you can potentially upload photos and earn money, but it will not be a lot of money. It will take a lot of patience, and you will have to watch a lot of ads during the process, because the company behind, they make money by showing ads. So there will be a lot of them. If not, they could not afford to pay us. But it's just a lot of ads, in my opinion, and the earnings you get for it, it's just extremely low. You have to spend so much time. And this is, in general, I tested maybe 10 apps from Givvy or 5, whatever, I don't know. But all of the ones I've tested, they offer good payout options, low payout threshold, but they just take an extreme amount of patience. If you really like the concept, yes, you can use it, you can earn. But personally, I just want to use my time on platforms, apps, websites that are more effective ways to earn. And I do have a list of the best get paid to sites that I've tested. I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out if you're also interested in more effective ways. Also, if you have another opinion about Social Duels or experiences with, please feel free to share in a comment below. It would be great to hear from you. No matter what, also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.